Hello, my name is 𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗏, and I went through several different solar companies and decided to pick out Cosmo Solaris to do my solar install in Virginia. And basically mine was kind of a unique system. It's 400. This barn I have, the solar, as you can see, it's it's around 400 foot from our house. And you know, like I say, we basically I got 460 watt panels with Enphase 𝗖𝗂𝗀𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗃 inverters, and with the Enphase system controller 3, and also I got 2 Enphase batteries, and I'll show that to you in a few minutes. But no, I was very happy with the solar company that we picked. I did get, like I say, several different quotes from different companies, and I was pretty confident with Cosmo Solaris to do the best, and they actually followed through with everything they promised. They actually even paid my electric bill for about 3 months, because I signed the contract last May and the install was completed in November. So and like I said, they paid my after 10 weeks they paid your electric bill, so that was a big plus. And also the warranty that they offered for third party if they go out of business was a big plus for me, and they used that, and then also the performance guarantees, and just the quality of their presentation, and the people that I dealt with were very, very seamless. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of go through the system a little bit with you, and but yeah, it's been a great experience with Cosmo Solaris, and I highly recommend them. And like I say, this system is really producing right now. It's end of March, and it's basically it's excelling my expectations. I mean, it's really doing well. And also the SRECs, I'm getting about $75. This is Virginia, getting $75 a month in SRECs, and the power bill is basically, it should not have a power bill after this month, because of the production is really going up a lot because of the sun. But here is the I want to kind of show you, but that's the I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. Let's see here. I got a new stabilizer arm here. I'm trying to figure it out. But let me walk over here. This is where the combiner box is and everything, and we got the like I say, the Enphase system, and I was thinking about getting the Tesla system, but it would not reach 400 foot from the house to the barn there. So but let me walk over here and I'll show you where we got the combiner box at. And I had to one thing I had to build this because it wasn't part of the quote, but it's all aluminum. But you can see where the combiner box is, and then the disconnect, and then the main wire coming in to the bottom. So that was kind of a unique situation that we actually worked well together on. I say, it was pretty seamless, but like any big project, you're going to have some hiccups and things, and they were actually really easy to work with. I worked with Tony Wilson, and then they had the electrical contractors come out, and we worked together, because I'm actually an electrician by trade myself. So they really worked well together, and I was very satisfied. And here, like I said, it's 400 foot, so I had a little walk to go. But here's actually the back of our house with the 2 batteries, and that's the system controller going into the disconnect, and then the meter. And hopefully this will help you make a decision to go with the company. And they, like I said, have been very happy with them. They're very trustworthy, and I have a hard time trusting people, So, and I ask a lot of questions. So they have been very, very helpful, and they exceeded my expectations, to be honest with you. But hopefully this helps, and thank you again. Bye-bye.